Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of Python programming. The Udemy $10 ArcPy course offer is now live. Do you want to learn Python to boost your GIS career? Then these ArcPy courses are perfect for you. The regular price is $35 per course on Udemy, but now you can enroll in each course for just $10 for a limited time only. ArcPy Level 1 and ArcPy Level 2 designed to take you from zero to pro in Python programming for GIS. You'll enjoy learning ArcPy in a fun and practical way with Shahriar Sir, just like our previous happy learners have already experienced. Learn from Shahriar Sir, an international award-winning GIS teacher with experience in the web GIS field since 2007. All discounted course links are in the video description below. Click and enroll instantly. No coupon needed. Don't miss out. This offer is valid for 5 days only. Check the video description for the offer deadline and enroll before it ends. Upgrade your GIS skills today. Click the link in the description and start learning with Shahriar GIS School. Let's grow your GIS career together. Till then, enjoy GIS with Shahriar Sir.